nhà đang kia, quần áo ai con kia.
Mày在4个人。
I don't remember clearly because it's not clear.
Right. It's not.
Was this written?
I don't know.
Was it written by a tourist?
Oh, yesterday.
No.
Yesterday, yeah.
I think Chinese people.
Why we rap?
I'm now up on these little cliffs, one of the mountains, these steep mountains. It's actually cool to be on one. We're on a little beachhead earlier. It was kind of like resembling Saving Private Ryan in some ways, except no gunfire, limbs being shot off. Yeah, can't have everything. At any rate, it's really nice. We're going to come back here later when it's dark and see it, the inside of the cave. We can't show you that now because it's top secret. But it's been fun. It's really cool out here. Yeah, takes your breath away. Could write a song about that. So, we're about to check out of the room on the Dragon Pearl. Is that our boat? Dragon Pearl? Yeah. Dragon Pearl, and it's been really nice. Good room. Let's take a got 2 of it. Let's see what we got. It's got a couple beds, 2 beds. 2 beds are good. Gotta have 2 beds. Let's see. Got a bathroom and a little nozzle there that's not a bidet. Just don't get that confused. The air pressure is very high. So shower, a porthole. That's kind of neat. I like that. Want to look outside? Yeah, you do. See what you can see in the bathroom when you're showering? Yeah. And come back in. Again, it's not huge, but it works. It's very nice. Terry, you want to say anything?
No, it's been a great 3 days, 2 nights. Dinner was fantastic. Good call. It's good to be here, experience this. It's unlikely we'll do this again, but good to have done it once. So.
Yeah, it's not that it's not great. It's just something you do once, but it's a trek getting here. It's a long bus ride, and yeah, but it's a good experience. But after a while, the mountains all kind of look the same. You know, those Asian mountains, they all look the same to me. Yeah. All right, so that's about it. It's been fun. Good time. Good people too. We had a good set of passengers. That was nice. All right. Bye.
Big ugly city coming through the mist.
Well, it looks like we're finishing up right now and kind of gonna head back to the port. And then we take a long bus ride back to Hanoi. That's not really something I'm looking forward to, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get there, right? I think so.